Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Cash App account. So first thing you have to do before deleting your account, of course, is making sure you withdraw your money. So on the bottom left hand side of the screen, you can see a little bank icon. If there's any dollar amount there, you want to make sure you withdraw that option first. So that way all your money is gone from this account before you delete it. Now, once you go ahead and do that, what we are going to do is click on the person icon at the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, from this screen, right over here, you can see your account information. You can see your name, your profile picture. Towards a little bit more on the bottom side of things, you are gonna see it where it says support. So we are gonna go ahead and click on support. And then on this page right over here, there's a couple of different things that you are going to be able to see. But what we actually want to do is type in where it says search support, and then from right over here, what we are going to actually do is type in close account. So we can see one of the top options that actually comes up. It says close your Cash App account, and it's going to bring up this thing, and it says closing your Cash App account will disable your cash tag, prevent payments from being received, and sign you out from all the sessions. Please be aware that as a financial institution, Cash App is legally required to maintain some transaction records and account information. If you would like to have your account closed permanently, tap confirm, which we are going to do right over here. And just like that, your account now is fully deleted from Cash App. If you wanted to start a new account, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to go ahead and now just delete the app in general from your phone, you are good to go. That your account is now officially gone. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.